Action!
Hey man, how's it going?
You're right, Adam. Thanks for coming and helping me out.
No worries, man. It's fine.
Just take a seat there and we'll get started with the interview. So, as you already know, I've asked you to come in and help me do some, or go through some questions that I've sort of prepared to help people with their sort of research and essay writing methods. So, what you're going to do, just tell them about your research and essay writing method, except make sure you introduce yourself as if they don't know you, alright?
Alright, okay. So, hi guys, my name's Adam, and basically I am Mr. My Idea is Better Than Yours. Yeah, that's right, I said it, I went there, I'm going to keep going there, but honestly guys, it's just about confidence.
Okay, so take me through how your method works.
Alright, okay, so the first step I would do after having looked at the question and got a sort of idea of what I want to write, it would be to look at the secondary reading list. Yeah, you might think lecturers are like evil, out to get you, there's some big conspiracy, but trust me, that's not true. Essentially, they've put that reading list together because they've read something or even written something that they think is going to be helpful for that course. So I go through the reading list. No, I don't read the whole thing. Come on, I want to go out sometime. And basically what I do is I look at the title or the abstract, which is like the bit at the beginning, which sums up an article, or even the introduction and conclusion, and I get an idea of what they're arguing. Are they for my idea? Are they against my idea? Are they against it and can I use it against them? And I sort of lay it out and then go and write the essay.
Okay, cool. That seems quite a lot of work. How do you make that manageable for yourself?
So I set myself like strict time periods because, you know, clubbing. Come on guys. And basically, like, I might set a week aside for doing the research and then a week for writing. I try not to fiddle with it too much, but you know, if I do need to move things about, I have a sort of idea.
Why does you do this? Why does it benefit you?
I've said it once before, I'm gonna say it again. Confidence. Honestly guys, confidence. Because it might sound a bit weird, but essentially me saying that they're right, they're wrong, they might be wrong because of this, it gives me the confidence to say that actually I've come up with a good idea, and it sort of reinforces it to me as I'm writing, because I can think, yeah, this is right, this is right, this is right.
Cool. Okay, and have you got any tips for someone who may want to research or try your method, or even someone who's like you?
Yeah, I guess, again, at the risk of sounding repetitive, confidence. Yeah, you might be going up against a lecturer who's written like 50 books, but you know what? You can take him, because if he's got a flaw in that argument, then you can do it, and you can prove it, and give yourself the confidence that you need to write that essay.
And just the last thing, has your methods changed as you've got through uni, or has you found it something you just stuck with?
I would say the method itself, like what it actually is, hasn't changed. It's more how I do it. So my time management has got better, as in like I kind of know when I can, how long it would take for a certain article or compiling everything, and I'm just able to go through those articles much quicker and pinpoints the bits I need.
Sweet, Adam. I think that's pretty much wrap up. Let's draw it to a close. Thanks very much.
Yeah, no worries. You got everything, yeah?
Yeah, no worries.
One take, man.
That is decent.